types of vehicles. This is a train, and you see a train on land. This one is a bus. Where do you see a bus? You see it on land. This one is a car. That's right. You see a car on land. Good job. Next is a ship. A ship is in the water. I know you know this one. An airplane. You see it in the air. That's right. Good job. We are at the farm. I see a frog, and beside the frog is a fork. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? It's the letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Hello, kids. Let's find out the letters that you see on the tree. What letter is this? This is letter A. And A sounds a. Good job. How about this one? What letter is this? This is letter B. And what's the sound of letter B? The sound of letter B is B, B, B. Good job. Next is this one. What letter is this? This is letter C. That's right. And C sounds K, K, K. Good job. Next is this one. What letter is this? This is letter D. Correct. And D sounds D, D, D. How about this one? What letter is this? Letter E. That's right. And E sounds A, A. Good job. Last is this one. What letter is this? This is letter F. And F sounds F, F. Good job, kids. Let's sort the colors. This is an apple. An apple is color red. That's right. Good job. This is a pineapple. Pineapple is color yellow. Correct. This is a cherry, and cherry is color Red. That's great. This is a banana. A banana is color yellow. You're right. This is a tomato. Tomato is color red. Good job. This is a pear. And pear is color yellow. Good job. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is color red. That's great. This is a lemon. And lemon is yellow. Good job. Congratulations, you did it. I see bananas. The bananas are color yellow. Can you help me count the bananas? Let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas. Good job counting. Hello, kids. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet letters. Let's name them one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing it? Halloween alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Good job. I see a treasure chest. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? Let's find out what's inside the treasure chest. Say open to open the treasure chest. Open! Wow, it opens. There are things coming out of the treasure chest. What is this object? This is a map. That's right. This animal is called a Mouse, correct. And this one is a mug. That's right. And this animal is called a monkey. Correct. Our mystery letter for today is letter M. Good job, kids. The five vowels. This is letter A. Letter A. Apple. This is letter E. Letter E. Egg. This is letter I. Letter I. Insect. This is letter O. Letter O. Ostrich. This is letter U. Letter U. Umbrella. Good job, kids. Is age. What's the sound of age? Huh, huh, huh. That's the sound of age. This is an I. What's the sound of I? E, E, E. That's the sound of I. This is a J. What's the sound of J? J, J, J. That's the sound of J. This is a K. What's the sound of K? K, K, K. That's the sound of K. This is a L. What's the sound of L? L, L, L. That's the sound of L. This is a M. What's the sound of M? M, M, M. That's the sound of M. This is a N. What's the sound of N? N, N, N. That's the sound of N. Welcome to Teacher Mommy CRIS channel. That is an astronaut. Astronaut starts with letter A. The astronaut is in the moon and is going to finish his mission. What do you think is his mission? His mission is to find the objects that start with letter A. Let's help the astronaut to find the objects that start with letter A. Do you think this one starts with the letter A? Yes, it's an apple. An apple starts with letter A. Good job! How about this one? Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an axe. An axe starts with letter A. Good job. Next is this one. Do you think it starts with letter A? Yes, it's an arrow. An arrow starts with letter A. Good job. Last is this object. Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an anchor. An anchor starts with letter A. Good job, kids. I see bananas. The bananas are color yellow. Can you help me count the bananas? Let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas. Good job counting. Guess the animal. Can you guess it? An alligator. Alligator starts with letter A. Guess the next animal. That is a bear. Good job. And bear starts with letter B. Can you guess the next animal? A cow. Good job. And cow starts with letter C. Let's guess the next animal. A dog. Good job. That's a dog. And dog starts with letter D. What's the next animal? Can you guess it? That is an elephant. You're right. And elephant starts with letter E. How about this one? Can you guess it? Hmm, that is a frog. Correct. And frog starts with letter F. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Egg. F. Fingers. G. Gift. H. Horse. I. Igloo. J. Jacket. K. Kangaroo. L. Lamp. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Octopus. P. Pencil. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Sun. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Whale. X. X-ray. Y. Yarn. Z. Zebra. Let's play the ABC game by Teacher Mommy Chris. What is that? What do you see? A blue bucket. Let's see what's inside the blue bucket. Let's go! What letter is that? That is letter A. Ant starts with letter A. Apple also starts with letter A. Pick the objects that starts with letter A. Anchor, arm, axe are the correct answers. They all start with letter A. Well done, kids! Next, what letter is that? That is letter B. Bird starts with letter B. Ball also starts with letter B. Now, what is the sound of letter B? B, B, B. That is the sound of letter B. A, B. On to the next one. What letter is that? Well, that is letter C. Cake starts with letter C. Cat also starts with letter C. Now, put a star on the object that starts with letter C. Camera is the correct answer. So, the star goes to camera. Well done, kids! Now, what letter is that? That is letter D. Dog starts with letter D. Dice also starts with letter D. Where is letter D? Is that letter D? No, that is letter C. Is that letter D? No, that is letter B. Is that letter D? No, that is letter A. Is that letter D? Yes, that is letter D. Good job, kids. C, D,